Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Investors. Are you curious about Chainlink? Do you want to know about Chainlink? So this is the place for you. So, subscribe to our channel now and smash that bell icon. Don't forget to comment your thought and question so we can help you for best investment. So now, let's start with these interesting questions. What is Chainlink? Chainlink is a decentralized blockchain oracle network built on Ethereum. The network is intended to be used to facilitate the transfer of tamper-proof data from off-chain sources to on-chain smart contracts. Chainlink decentralized oracle networks provide tamper-proof inputs, outputs, and computations to support advanced smart contracts on any blockchain. Chainlink greatly expands the capabilities of smart contracts by enabling access to real-world data and off-chain computation while maintaining the security and reliability guarantees inherent to blockchain technology. Chainlink is open-source technology that is collectively developed by a large community of developers, researchers, and users who share the goal of building Chainlink into a public good for the benefit of the entire blockchain ecosystem. Chainlink is one of the best-performing cryptocurrencies to date, with its current price still thousands of times higher than that of its ICO. Who founded Chainlink? Sergey Nazarov. Chainlink was created in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis, who co-authored a white paper introducing the Chainlink protocol and network with Cornell University professor Ari Jules the same year. Chainlink was created in 2014, though it didn't launch until 2017. Its founder is Sergey Nazarov, a 32-year-old entrepreneur who has a major presence in the crypto market. Originally, the Chainlink network was designed to be a centralized oracle system that can verify incoming information. Chainlink is a cryptocurrency aiming to incentivize a global network of computers to provide reliable, real-world data to smart contracts running on top of blockchains. If you're unfamiliar, smart contracts are agreements programmed to execute if and when certain conditions are met. What is so special about Chainlink? Chainlink is a decentralized network of nodes that provide data and information from off-blockchain sources to on-blockchain smart contracts via oracles. This process, along with extra secure hardware, eliminates the reliability issues that might occur if using only a single centralized source. Some people also asked, is Chainlink better than Ethereum? Ethereum is the better investment option. How? Chainlink is a decentralized oracle network, while Ethereum is a blockchain platform for developers to build applications on. Chainlink was built on Ethereum, while Chainlink isolates Ethereum and makes it able to use real-world data. Is Chainlink a good crypto? This is why a Chainlink price prediction for 2022 is appropriate right now. Looking at the daily chart, Chainlink has developed some support and resistance levels and is currently trading within a long-term channel. Some of these levels include the $10.3, $17.30, and $13.50 support levels. Chainlink started out by providing cryptocurrency price data from a handful of sources to DeFi protocols like lending platform Aave. But these days, it consists of a lot more. Chainlink will launch staking this year, allowing Link holders to secure the network by locking up some of their Link into the protocol and earning rewards. It's a feature the Link Marines, as Chainlink fans are called, have clamored for. Just give us staking, man, just fork it like the other people do, says Nazarov in imitation. But Oracle networks, he explains, are a new type of consensus, so it's not as simple as just copying somebody else's staking and launching it. The real challenge is coming up with a staking system for a completely new type of consensus. Chainlink is no stranger to integrating with big-name projects, beginning with FedEx, FlightStats, and Swift in 2018. Is there a future for Chainlink? Will Chainlink keep rising? In the short term, we may see a bit of a drop. However, in a few years, the project is expected to climb back up and reach new heights as DeFi and Oracle services grow. What will Chainlink be in 2025? Wallet Investor provides a 1-year and 5-year price forecast of $32.17 and $73.52, respectively, for Link. Coin Price Forecast suggests Link could trade at $54.20 per token by 2025 and $127.39 per token by 2033. How much Chainlink do you need to become a millionaire? Holocane will only launch middle of this year. In order to become a millionaire this year, you need to have $10,000 invested in each of those 3 coins to be sure. With the increasing demand for Oracle networks, a cryptocurrency that gained tremendous popularity in 2021 is Chainlink, Link. Its popularity stems from a variety of reasons, including the unique business model of Chainlink. Chainlink is a unique cryptocurrency that aims to advance the entire blockchain sector with its unique technology. Based on my analysis of Chainlink's 2022, 2025, and 2030 price predictions, I believe that Chainlink is a good investment with a lot of potential. Chainlink also has a lot of real-world use cases. If you're interested in a specific topic, don't hesitate to write to us in the comments. We look forward to hearing your suggestions. So, subscribe to our channel. Now, smash that bell icon. Comment your questions and stay up to date with all of our latest and greatest videos.